Hi there, let's talk about why a clinical facial is one of the best things you can do for your skin. A clinical facial isn't just a treat, it's a targeted, results-driven treatment tailored to your skin's unique needs. Whether you're dealing with breakouts, fine lines, dullness, or dryness, a clinical facial works to address these concerns at the root. It starts with professional-grade exfoliation to clear away dead skin cells and unclog pores, revealing a fresh, healthy complexion. Next, advanced techniques like lymphatic drainage, microcurrent, or LED therapy are used to restore and rejuvenate your skin. These methods penetrate deeper than home care, delivering nutrients and stimulating collagen production for real, lasting results. And it doesn't stop there. At PSC, we go beyond the average facial to create a truly transformative experience. We incorporate sound frequency therapy to calm your mind and body, promoting a deep relaxation and restoring inner balance. Along with that, our grounding techniques help to reconnect you to a sense of stability and well-being, aligning your skin with your overall wellness. This holistic approach doesn't just treat your skin, it nurtures your entire being by addressing the connection between your physical and emotional health. We ensure you leave not only glowing on the outside, but feeling renewed and centered from within. At PSC, we believe beauty radiates from the inside out, and every treatment is designed to support that harmony. And finally, we complete your facial, and your esthetician will also equip your skin with protection with our proprietary blend of ingredients to defend against the environmental stressors. So why wait? A clinical facial isn't just skincare, it's a self-care. Invest in your skin today. It is your best accessory. Book your facial now. You deserve it.